It's Monday morning, but it could be Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, Friday morning, any morning of the week. And what happens? You go to your calendar and you know darn well before you even open it or check it, there's nothing there. There's no one for you to call. That's the problem you face. Not just Monday mornings, but many mornings, right? Or maybe you've got one or two bookings there to talk to today. But they don't know you from Adam, and you're not sure whether they're going to turn up, and if they turn up, whether in fact they will even answer the call. And you're not sure whether they're going to turn up anyway. Or maybe you're lucky and you've paid someone, a third party, to fill your calendar up for today with bookings, okay? You've got bookings from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. But guess what? None of them know you from Adam. So here you go, right? You've got either no one to talk to, you've got one or two to talk to that maybe not even turn up, or you've got a stack of them and none of them know you. So before you even open up this phone of yours, what's going through your head? Think about that. First of all, you're probably thinking, oh, I hate sales calls. Or, oh, I really don't like cold calls. If either of those things are going through your head, you're dead in the water. You must get on the gangplank of the pirate ship and just jump off, all right? Because you're gone. You're going to lose whatever there was in the first 30 seconds of the sale. But now think this through. What is going through your head apart from thinking about sales or thinking about cold calls? The first thing is you're probably scared of being rejected. We're all scared of being rejected, right? Nobody likes being rejected. Or maybe you're thinking you're going to intrude on somebody's personal and private time. Maybe they're having a special family dinner. Maybe it's a birthday. Maybe it's a romantic dinner. And you're interrupting it with your darn call. That's probably going through your head as well, right? Or the objections bit. How are you going to handle the objections they raise with you? This is always a real stumbling block for people because they're not sure what they're going to be asked and how in the hell they're going to answer them. So this thing of yours is such a fantastic device, but can also scare the pants off you. What else is going through your head before you make that darn call? Before you pick up this thing and call, what else could there be going through your head? The fact is, you're not only intruding on people, you're probably annoying them as well. Or if you make the call and you stuff it up, think about the reputation of you and or the company you're representing. You've just about killed that, right? And another thing that could be going through your head, again, before you even pick this up and make the call, is self-doubt. All these negatives I've just shared with you are running around in your head, right? How in the heck would it be possible for you to have a civilized, stress-free conversation with someone you've never heard of when you've got self-doubt down near your boots? All right? Now let's look at it from the receiver's point of view, the person who's going to receive the phone call that you finally have the guts to make. Firstly, many won't even answer it. Oh, thank God for that. You've solved one problem, right? They're not even going to answer. Or they do answer, but they answer out of curiosity, right? Only out of curiosity, not out of courtesy. They're just curious. Do not assume anything more than that. You're on very thin ice. And of course, they're going to be cautious. They're going to be guarded. And they're going to be defensive. And above all else, they're not going to trust you. Why would they trust you? They're thinking, why would I put my trust in somebody else's pocket when I don't even know who in the hell they are? And if there's no trust, there's no way in the world they're going to open up to you and share the truth with you about what their problems are or what maybe their desires may be. So there's the dilemma that you're in. What can you do about it? Look at the link on the screen, peterbeckenham.com/hello. That's just a 15-minute call. Okay? Book a call with me and I'll get you started to have a conversation with someone you've never spoken to before who would at least show interest in you. That's a darn sight better than what's going to happen otherwise, right? Now, it's only 15 minutes and I don't perform miracles, right? And if you don't make the call, that's fine with me. That's your problem, not mine, okay? But I'm making the call available to you now. peterbeckenham.com/hello. Have the intestinal fortitude and the willingness to change from where you are right now. Book the call with me and we'll take it from there. Okay? Take care, best wishes, and in future, don't be scared of using this. I'll show you why. Cheers for now.